So I'm Andras Nikl from InterMap. Our company focuses on innovating the mapping market. So this year we came with a brand new development called Geo Meter and FORTE MAP AI. Geo Meter is a smart mapping device based fully on machine vision and photogrammetry. So it is basically a fodder, as we call it. It is extremely easy to use, and not the least, it is extremely cost efficient and results more outputs than the good old laser. The results of the survey made with Geo Meter later on is loaded into FORTE MAP 3D, where you can evaluate it and analyze it, measure, create digital elevation model, cross sections, calculate volume, and so on. And the most interesting is FORTE MAP AI, which is our own spatial AI engine designed to recognize objects on the surveyed area and extract them automatically. For example, traffic signs, potholes, utility poles, hydrants. But it is learning very fast, so we can teach any visible object which is needed. So we are here at INTERGEO to show how AI can enhance the spatial and mapping market.